Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is a glossy box video. I got my glossy box on time this time. The last 2 months, they have not been on time. So it was like at the end of the month, so I didn't really see the point of filming a video. So this is my first glossy box video of the year. So then, as you can see from the box, it is just their classic pink and black. And I haven't actually opened this at all, so this is how it comes. So you get all your gubbins inside. You get a nice piece of ribbon. Undo that. And then you get this little information card. And this month's glossy box is the Empowerment edition. It was National Women's Day yesterday, so we've got like a little booklet here giving you information about what is inside this month's glossy box. And let's just get straight on into it. Just going to pop that underneath there. As you can see, look, it comes all nicely wrapped with tissue paper, and then you get their logo on the sticker. Sometimes try not to rip everything, but sometimes it's not possible not to do that, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so let's get started. So the first thing I have pulled out is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream, and that is in this packaging here, and it's in the shade Nude. It says feel like a goddess with one of Bella Pierre's full coverage high impact liquid lipsticks. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the colour payoff lasts for hours without needing a touch up. So these liquid lipsticks usually retail for £20. £20. And this is what the actual product looks like. Let's give it a quick swatch. Actually, that's a really nice nude colour. That I can see I can wear that. I would wear that for work. So there you go. That's what you kind of get. Sort of nudie colour. I would put it on, but actually at the moment I've got other lipstick. It smells incredible. What's it smell? It smells like strawberries. Yeah, it does. It smells like strawberries. That's really nice. And that is Kiss Proof Lip Cream. So I'll just let that dry, and then we shall see how kiss proof it is. And I will, excuse me, have a go at that. Now the next thing that I'm going to pull out is a plumper lip balm, and this is by Bye, and there's the packaging. So let's have a look at this. It says boasting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum, that's it, that plump your pout and enhance its natural shape. And you get, does it say how much you get in here? Is it full size? I think so. So this retails at £9, and there we go, that's what we've got. The packaging, it's like a little pink packaging. It says on the back, apply a pea-sized amount to lips for intense hydration, soft shine and a perfectly plumped pout. It's 100% natural, certified vegan, and it's cruelty free. So oh yeah, you can smell the peppermint in there, definitely. So that is £9 for that. So the next thing I'm going to take out is the Glossy Cosmetics, and it is a dew pot. And it says here, this smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formula with ultra-fine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhances all skin tones. Apply to your cheekbones and brow bones and Cupid's bow for a rosy, lit from within glow. Now, Glossy, I still use I had the it's like a stick, contour stick. It's amazing. It's really good, and I'm nearly coming to I use that every single day. So this is a really, really, really good company. So I can't wait to have a go. No smell. I can't wait to have a go with this. So let's give it a swatch. Oh, it is nice. It's kind of like, oh, that is nice. That is going to look lovely in the summer. I don't know if you'll be able to see that little there. Just popped it on there. It's very subtle. I wonder if it's buildable. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. There you go. You can probably see that a little bit better there. But so I'm looking forward to using that. And there you go. There's the lip gloss. That is not going anywhere. So that's very cool. And that retails at £15.30. Blimey. So yeah, a fantastic product, a fantastic company, and I'm going to have to get some more contour stick. But never mind. Okay, the next thing on the list is from Essence, and it is You Better Work Gym Proof Fixing Spray. So this is if you do go to the gym with makeup on. I don't know why you would, but you know, this is probably the thing to use. Although having said that, last week I went to a wedding and I danced my socks off, and I was glowing a little bit extra than I should have been. And this probably would have been nice, because some of the pictures afterwards, you know, after you've been dancing, you get red sweaty face, da 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 da. But this would have been quite good to use last week, so I'm going to have to wait now and see if there's another wedding or something to wear that. But never mind. And that retails at £3.50, but it's a good one for the summer, etc. So, you know, when if it starts getting a little bit hotter, you can pop that on. I wonder if it smells of anything. Let's have a... Oh, that was... Oh, it's a nice fine mist. Just smells... a bit like deodorant. Not very strong though, but cool. So, ooh. Give that a little waft. And last but not least, we have got the Body Shop. And now I haven't been in the Body Shop for years. Well, last year maybe? Might have been last year or the year before. And I used to always get their body butters and their creams, etc. And this is a super rich, creamy body butter. It melts straight in, softening, nourishing and hydrating skin for up to 48 hours. Each one is enriched with some of nature's best moisturisers. You'll either receive warm and nutty shea butter, fresh and exotic coconut, or a deliciously sophisticated argan oil. So these usually retail for this size £6. So let's have a coconut holiday. Just reminds me of holiday. So that is that for £6. This month's box is very good. I'm very pleased with this month's box. I'm very pleased that this month's box turned up on time, and I'm very pleased with everything. Yeah, cool. A nice box. And yeah, next month, what have we got? A sneaky peek of. At the back here, they will give you a sneaky peek of another product that is going to be in the Glossy box. And let's have a look. It is, we are having double the fun this April with 2 special design fruity and floral glossy boxes bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flowery undertones. Both edits include a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask from Dr. Botanicals. Which edit will you receive? Oh, I see. So the box will either have this on it or will have this on it. So it's either going to be this one or this one. So, and then this is the sneaky peek of what you're getting. So there you go. And that is basically everything that we have got in our glossy box today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I do love getting the old the old glossy box. It's a nice little surprise every month, and actually I've used probably more or less everything that I've got. There's a couple of things that I haven't used, but what I usually do with them is I fill up one of these boxes with cosmetics, etc., that I haven't used, or you know, that are still in the packets, etc., and I send them off to shelters for ladies and things. So that's what I usually do with these boxes. So it's actually quite a nice little gesture. So that's what I do with those. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing okay, and if you are not subscribed, then please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And you look after yourselves, you look after everybody else, and remember, the world is your catwalk. Keep creating!